Hi everyone, this is Danielle from Novel Plan, and boy do I have something exciting for you guys today. I went to my local Michael's and I found all, I think, of the new sticker books. I found quite a few of them, so I am going to go ahead and do flip-throughs for you guys. I also found a vertical and a dashboard layout. I think that they're fairly neutral, so I think people might be interested in seeing these. So I have Sophisticated Florals, I have Happy Plans, I have this one. This is all the plans. This one came out a little while ago, but I haven't been able to find it in stores yet, so I'm going to do this one. I found Save Now, Spend Later, the Friendship one, Good Habits, Colorful Florals. Again, I'm not quite sure if this is a new one, but I haven't seen this in my Michael's. Jungle Vibes, which I'm very excited about. Colorful Leopard, which is another beautiful one. Pressed Florals, another one. I think this may be new, but I'm not entirely positive. It may be one that is just new to my store. The new Indigo, which is beautiful. The Black and White, which a lot of people are excited about. Girl with Goals. And then I picked up this planner, is a dashboard layout 18-month planner. And then this one right here is the vertical layout, also an 18-month planner. And this says You Are Beautiful on it. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through all of these. These are for the new upcoming spring release coming out soon. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, next one up is Friendship. This one looks fun. Looks like a lot of best friend type deal. A lot of fun, bright colors. Best friends forever and ever. Bestie, and then the definition of bestie. Here's to the nights that turned into mornings with the friends that turned into family. So this is like, kind of gives me like a retro vibe almost. And then you have some gold foil on these quote boxes. Hanging with my favorite person. Love you girl. Hello. Good times. Kind of a pastel, fun colorway. Good vibes. Definitely 50s-ish. 50s, 60s. With all the quotes that are kind of like rad and hey dude and all those fun things. Some more bigger boxes. Some dot grid ones. Some grid ones. You have lunch date, friend date. All different sorts of boxes and really fun colors. And these are the filled-in boxes. This one's got little, like, champagne glasses. This one says BFF. Some clear paper gold quotes. This is like that muted gold. Soul Sister. Yes. A coffee date. More quotes on clear paper. This one with the pinky swear down here. And then you just have some various words. This one, celebrate the small victories, time with my bestie in different colors. I love this kind of like reddish orange. It's very pretty. And then you have some like almost ombre letters, and these are on clear paper. Some more full boxes with gold foil. Best friends make good times better. Some washi in like a wavy type style. Icons. Oh, I like those rainbows right there. This is different. These hands with different shapes. This one's like a heart. There's a peace sign. These are gotta be here. Like what, when, and details. Kind of like for an event. Happy hour. Stickers with the glasses. So it's all about kind of like events, activities, things that you do with your friends. If you don't have friends, maybe you don't want this, but maybe like your sister-in-law is your best friend, so soul sisters make sense. I don't know. I have friends, but not a whole ton that are like really, really close. So this one is, you know, a lot of the ones I'll use. Some of the quote ones I'm not quite sure, but very fun, positive, kind of summery vibes almost. Some gold foil here. Some really long sidebars with a little pinky swear at the bottom. Some more sidebar items. And then this one is some sayings that says brunch with the girls, dinner and a movie, friend date, friendsgiving. And that was with gold foil, and this one is just with white writing. So this one is definitely like friend oriented, everything that you want to go do on a Saturday. I don't know if this one is super pertinent with the pandemic right now, but it's still a very, very pretty sticker book with lots of fun colors. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of the sticker books from this release, head on over to my channel. There is a playlist that you can see which ones were at my Michaels.